Hello guys, how are we doing today? How is your dropshipping? My dropshipping is pretty good. My dropshipping account does very well, and I have some very short message for you according to your mistakes. I know some of you are doing terrible mistakes, and those mistakes are holding you back from making money. Okay, yes, I'm on a beach. Yes, I'm on a beach. That's my lifestyle. That's my dropshipping lifestyle. I'm not with the laptop on the beach because in my just by the case, if you haven't been in my life, here is the link up there. I will put my live recording where I explain crucial things about the dropshipping, how most dropshippers have been deceived. Yeah. And I think maybe you have been deceived because you need to sit by your computer at home and you cannot enjoy life. That's one sign of deception, that you have been deceived by some YouTube gurus there. You have been investing in courses and courses. Somebody says, I have been investing thousands of dollars in courses and still broke. That's deception. You have been deceived by someone. You better define who is that person who deceived you, because if you buy something, some course or some program, that program should make money for you. If that not make money for you, that's deception. Okay, you better put in the comments below here in the comments, put in the comments, you bought the course from that person, from that company, and you have been deceived. Okay, so that's very important, because you are gonna help other people to stay away from those guys, girls, whatever it is, companies, because they sold you deception, and that's holding back you from enjoying the life. Okay, so anyway, I'm not working from the beach, don't worry. This is just a video from the beach, because this is the morning. I have what I got 9 o'clock in the morning, right? So that's my usually I'm coming to the beach here. See, that's the beach where I go. Just a walk over there, and then over there where the island is, a little island over there. Yeah, that's the way where I come just for my morning walk. And today is October, middle of October 2021, and I'm working. Yes, I'm working. Well, most precisely I would say my dropshipping account works for me. Okay, and I can enjoy my life and still work, but work smart way, not to be deceived, because I am free from deception, and this is what I teach other people, how to be free from deception. I want you to watch the video up there, because this is, you will gonna see the results. What results can you create in 90 days without deception, without paid tools, without investing any money in your business, but using the free tools out there called internet. You know, internet is out there in the heaven. Okay, yeah, that's in the heaven, in the air. Okay, and you use those things for free, you don't have to pay for them. But deceivers, they will spread out and teach you deception, affiliate links you will gonna get and stuff like this, and you use them and you are messed up and you completely deceived. Don't be trapped by them. Okay, think a little bit by yourself and test every YouTuber out there who is selling your stuff. Okay, you can test even me, because you can just follow my videos and see. If you watch those videos, you will gonna see that there is my strategy is 3 months 90 days 3 months 90 days how to create 6 figures. Okay, I can't create 6 figures in 2 weeks, not even in 1 month, just because it's not possible. I don't know how to do this, and that's why I did my time working daily to create my account, to create my business that would work for me now, and I can, that's where I am. Okay, this is what anybody can do if you stay away from deception. That's my message for you today, short message. Keep watching. I will gonna be live today, maybe gonna go live, answer your questions. I will try to invest as much as I can, I mean time, my time, and answer your questions. Okay, see you later. Bye bye, take care.